Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Chainlink from Arculus Wallet to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to manage your assets seamlessly, this guide is perfect for you. Chainlink is a powerhouse in the blockchain world, and transferring it between wallets like Arculus and Tangem can be straightforward with the right steps. By 2025, these processes have gotten even more user-friendly with enhanced security features, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and access to your Chainlink tokens. You'll need a stable internet connection and the latest app versions for Arculus and Tangem to avoid any hiccups. Okay, step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app on your device. Log in securely using your biometric authentication or PIN. Remember, security is key in the crypto space. Once you're in, navigate to your asset dashboard. Look for Chainlink, often abbreviated as Link, in your portfolio. Select it by tapping or clicking on the token. Now, hit the Send or Transfer button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address. Here's where Tangem comes in. Grab your Tangem wallet app or device and find your receiving address. Copy that address carefully to avoid any errors. Double-check it to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Next, enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer. Be mindful of network fees, which in 2025 might be dynamically adjusted based on blockchain congestion. Review the transaction details one last time, then confirm the send. You'll likely see a confirmation screen with a transaction ID. Save that for your records. After initiating the transfer, head over to your Tangem wallet to monitor the incoming funds. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Once it arrives, verify the balance to ensure everything's good. Pro tip: always use hardware wallets like Tangem for better security when dealing with valuable assets. And there you have it. That's how you send Chainlink from Arculus to Tangem in 2025. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages or drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.